Claude, with the crypto market experiencing significant volatility, I think now is the perfect time to focus on fundamentals rather than price action. For anyone evaluating blockchain projects, whether you're new to crypto or have been around for years, understanding the blockchain trilemma is essential. It's the framework that helps you identify which projects in the top 100 actually have solid foundations versus which ones are just riding hype.
You're absolutely right. When prices are pumping, people chase narratives, but in bear markets or during corrections, fundamentals become the only thing that separates projects that survive from those that disappear. The blockchain trilemma is the lens you need to evaluate every project.
What exactly is the blockchain trilemma?
Every blockchain needs three things: decentralization, security, and scalability, but you can only optimize for two. It's an iron law. No blockchain has solved all three perfectly, and understanding which two a project chose tells you everything about its long-term viability.
Break down each dimension for me.
Decentralization means no single entity controls the network. Not a company, not a government, not even the founder. The network runs on thousands of independent computers worldwide, all following the same rules, with no one who can unilaterally change those rules.
And security?
Security means the network can't be attacked, hacked, or manipulated. Your funds can't be stolen, transactions can't be reversed, the blockchain's history can't be rewritten. Without security, you have nothing. It's the foundation everything else is built on.
What about scalability?
Scalability is throughput, how many transactions per second the network handles. Visa does 65,000 TPS. If a blockchain only does 7 TPS, it can't serve global adoption. Scalability determines whether blockchain remains niche or goes mainstream.
So why can't someone just build all three?
Physics and economics. Decentralization requires thousands of validators globally. Coordinating them takes time, killing scalability. Scalability requires fast consensus with fewer participants. That's centralization. Security needs either massive decentralization or heavy computation. Both slow things down. Every design choice has consequences.
Give me concrete examples.
Bitcoin chose decentralization and security. 15 years, never hacked, runs on thousands of computers worldwide, completely censorship resistant. But only 7 transactions per second. Solana and ICP try to thread the needle. Solana does 718 transactions per second with 20 validators needed for control. ICP does 953 transactions per second with 14 verified node providers. Both made trade-offs, but balance all three better than most.
What about networks prioritizing speed?
Base and BNB chain do hundreds of transactions per second. Excellent scalability, decent security. But they sacrifice decentralization completely. Base is controlled by Coinbase with a single sequencer. BNB's validators are Binance approved. One company calls the shots.
Okay, but here's what I don't get. Why does decentralization matter so much? If a centralized network is fast, secure, and works, why should I care who runs it?
Because centralized systems eventually fail. Do you remember 2022?
FTX, Celsius, the whole thing?
Exactly. FTX, $8 billion stolen by Sam Bankman-Fried. Celsius, $8 billion in customer funds frozen. Voyager, BlockFi, Three Arrows Capital, not collapsed within months. Billions of dollars evaporated because people trusted centralized entities where one person or one board could destroy everything.
But those were companies, not blockchains.
Right, and here's the contrast. While FTX was collapsing and billions were vanishing, Bitcoin just kept running. Blocks every 10 minutes, zero interruption. No CEO to steal funds, no company to go bankrupt, no emergency shutdown. It couldn't be stopped because no one person controlled it.
So decentralization is protection against human failure?
Against human nature. Centralized systems work when leaders are honest and competent. But power corrupts. Companies fail. People steal. Governments change. Sam Bankman-Fried seemed trustworthy until he wasn't. Decentralization means you don't have to trust anyone. You're trusting math running on thousands of independent computers.
What specifically does decentralization protect me from?
3 things. Censorship resistance. No one can block your transactions. PayPal freezes accounts, banks deny service, but Bitcoin can't be stopped. Permissionless access. You don't need anyone's approval to participate. No forms, no KYC, no begging for permission. Credible neutrality. The rules apply equally to everyone and can't be changed to favor the powerful.
Give me a real example where this mattered.
2022. Canadian truckers protesting COVID policies. Government froze their bank accounts. GoFundMe froze $10 million in donations under government pressure. Centralized systems obeyed orders. Bitcoin donations kept flowing because no one could stop them. That's censorship resistance in practice, not theoretical, actual protection against political power.
So when I'm evaluating projects in a bear market, decentralization isn't just ideological, it's practical?
Exactly. In bull markets, centralized systems might perform better short-term. But over years and decades, only decentralized networks survive regime changes, regulatory pressure, and founder exits. Fundamentals mean asking, if everything goes wrong, does this network keep running?